who we are as mountain people. Mountain people worked really hard, but when they played really hard. And Sam Queen was not chosen to go to the White House and perform or be in front of the royalty of England because he was unique or different than the people of these mountains. He was the best of these mountains. And so therefore, this family was chosen to lead and represent.
We celebrate the heritage of folk dance from all around the world, because if you join in one big circle, you will unite the world. So we appreciate you here tonight, each and every one of you. We want you to join in the family of Folkmoot. I am so proud to be here with my Aunt Sarah. Come up, Aunt Sarah. And so
I am happy for what part that I was able to do to keep this wonderful building. And we must keep Folkmoot around because it does a wonderful, wonderful work.